life's still better. Huh? Someone there? There's something weird on the Jefferson. No, not the crew. Well, yeah, the crew. But also something furry and weird and snorty. I want whatever it is not on the ship anymore. Got it?
There's something weird on the Jefferson. I was vacuuming and there's a lot more loose hair on the ship than usual.
Doesn't seem that much.
Bulging flops.
Maybe the captain's bolting again. Look, I'll keep an eye out, but right now I need to carry on checking the Crazy Rich Alan's contract.
Diligent worker, that McLaren, really focused.
Remember the last time she focused on a contract?
She used that super shrink ray on herself to read the fine print.
When she focuses, she really focuses.
I'm bored now. I'm gonna go play on the ski slopes. The Crazy Rich Alan's got me.
What's with them?
Oh, the crew had an open mic comedy night. She won.
Is that funny? If anything, that joke's a bit humanist to me. I'm funnier than that.
Oh, you are really funny, Captain. Sometimes I sit with Nova and McLaren talking about how funny you are, and we just laugh and laugh and laugh.
Well, exactly.
You could be a comedian. You're always saying about how nobody listens to me. They have to listen to the comedian with a microphone. Huh. That always works for Nova. Oh, hang on. You are really funny, Captain. You could be a comedian. And we just laugh and laugh and laugh.
My new slopes are amazing, but I want a bigger one so my woos last longer.
Done. What colour snow would you like?
Purple. Duh. Morning. I love the Space Fair. Know why I love the Space Fair?
You win all the prizes.
All the prizes. Hey, I won a prize too. Who knew the Space Fair would have a spelling contest?
Genius. Genius. Can I use it in a sentence? Sure. McLaren is a genius.
And I won this tub of never-ending dough. Well, I like the rides best. You were scaredy screaming on the roller coaster.
I was fun screaming. My scaredy scream sounds like...
We only replaced the windows last week. Put the mirror over there. Buy the jelly.
Wait, jelly? I said don't. What's that jelly doing there?
Oh! The Jelly Blobs have invited you to perform at Jellyzania. In front of the royal jelly family. This is huge, Nova. A royal command performance. Wait, you're not still scared of jelly, are you?
What? Jelly? Everyone likes jelly.
Yeah, McLaren. Everyone likes jelly. Nobody gets cold sweats thinking about jelly. Nobody has scary jelly nightmares about a jelly wobbling down hallway towards you. Always getting bigger. I am so glad you're over that jelly thing. Doing Jellyzania would open up all the pudding planets. The Jelly Blobs will tell the Moose Men, the Tart Folk, the entire Sorbet Belt. Doing this will bring you so many new fans, Nova. Nova Jones ain't scared of a single, dingle, bringle thing. Book the game.
That host seems lovely. I can't see any reason why anyone would dislike him or his show.
Well, since you asked,
I didn't.
I was the best pilot in a dozen worlds. Everyone said so. Horizontal parking, 8-point turns. It was my big talent.
That's work. Doesn't count as talent, but whatever.
Everyone insisted that I go on his show, that my talent for driving a ship was too great to waste. So I plucked up the nerve and I went to audition.
You didn't win.
I crashed on the way to the venue. Right, that's it. That's it. Out. D&D time. Out.
Liar.
D&D time. I don't care. Get out. Get out. No. Cap alone time. Out. Get out. D&D cap time. That's the end of it. Enough.
D&D? What's that stand for? What's happening to me? I don't know what's going on. Let's talk. What's happening to me?
I've absorbed your talent for problem solving. You see, I'm sick of judging those snivelling pop stars from the sidelines. It should be me up there, bathed in adoration. I thought with Nova Jones's talent it could be, but with your talent of organization, I now see I'm gonna need the abilities of everyone who makes her shows run so smoothly.
No!